this. Stop! And now I'm done. It's just super, super hard. And messed up. There you go. And now I'm going to do my super hard nails. This one is super hard. Can't do it. It's hard. Why is there nothing on this? Nicholas, stop it. I prefer you doing it up and down. Thank you. Perfectly good finger. There you go. Now, my other nail. Come on, this is super hard. Strip it! This is super hard. I guarantee it is super hard. If you are left-handed, you'll do this well. But if you're right-handed, not really that much. If you're left-handed and right-handed, you're lucky sometimes. I said sometimes, not maybe. Last one. So I did my nails. I don't know if they're going to be great. Because I'm not left-handed. Hey, come on. How do you close this? Ta-da! Great job! For this hand. Great job for this hand. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, have a totally Tuesday weekend. Wait, today's Tuesday, right? Today's Tuesday?